Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today I brought back the Redmi Note 9S, and if you may know that the Miui 13 having Android version 12 is released for Redmi Note 9S, global stock ROM release for Redmi Note 9S Miui 13, and you can flash this ROM via fast boot method on the Europe variant, or if you want you can also flash this ROM on India variant. In case if you want to use or experience the Miui 13 ROM on your Redmi Note 9S, you cannot or you can't wait to get Miui 13, then what you have to do is to unlock the bootloader of your Redmi Note 9S, and you can simply follow my tutorial steps to flash the Miui 13 ROM on Redmi Note 9S. So the most important thing is to unlock the bootloader. Those users who have already an unlocked bootloader, they can simply flash the ROM, and those who are not having a unlocked bootloader, the tutorial video link is provided in my video description. Watch that video how to unlock the bootloader. Now after flashing the Miui 13 ROM, the control center will got change. This is the oldest control center, and we will get new control center, and also the UI, the interface will get changed. We will get Miui 13 UI and interface, and also many things after when we flash that ROM. Before going ahead, I will appreciate and I will request to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon and select all. Thank you, and keep sharing my videos to others and to other social media platforms. Thank you so much, I appreciate. First of all, save all the data. This method will wash everything. Better to save the data. Check the battery must be charged to maximum or minimum like 50 to 60%. Then go to settings and go to Mi account. In case if you are using Mi account, sync your Mi account once and then remove it, and same way go to account sync your Google account once and then remove it. Also, if you have turned on the lock screen password, turn it off. And now the important thing is the fast boot flashing method do not requires any particular Miui ROM. For example, if my set is on Miui 12.5.1 and maybe your set is not on this ROM, will be not. Maybe you must be having 12.5.5 or 12.5.6, doesn't matter. If you are on custom ROM, still you can flash the fast boot updated ROM on your Xiaomi mobile phone. The Miui 13 fast boot ROM will get flashed on any Miui version you are having on Redmi Note 9S. Well, if you have done all these things, you can simply power off the mobile phone. As I mentioned before, bootloader must be unlocked. This flashing procedure requires data cable and computer. Now moving towards my computer screen. This website link is provided in my video description. Click the link and this website will get open. Scroll down, come down here. You will see the device section. Click on it and you can simply type your mobile phone model, or if you know the code name, you can simply type the code name. For example, Redmi Note 9S code name is Curtana. Now definitely you will see Redmi Note 9S, Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Lite Curtana. These two models or these two variants are of the India variants. Simply click here and then click download. The other page will get open. Come down here. We will go for the fast boot ROM. Here we go. Redmi Note 9S Global Stable Fast Boot. Whatever Miui version currently you are having. For example, right now I am having 13.0.2. In future, if you are watching this video, simply just go for that. Whatever Miui version is on this page. Go further and the Android version will 12. This is the file size, date, and then the download section will come. Now simply click on the download. The other page will get open. Come down. Just look once again. Redmi Note 9S Global, Curtana, Miui 13.0.2, etc. and recovery. No, come down. We want to download fast boot ROM, do not go for recovery, because recovery requires custom recovery. We will go for the fast boot flashing method. So check the fast boot and then simply click on full ROM. After a few seconds, the ROM will start downloading. Now this is my downloaded folder where I have already downloaded my files. Mi Flash 2017, link is provided in my video description. Download it first and then extract it must in same folder. After that, open the extracted folder and double click this file, install it on your Windows. Must install this version on your Windows. We will take a help of from this software to flash the Miui ROM on Redmi Note 9s. Do not go for any other version. Must go for this particular 2017. And it's in case if you are having already this version on your Windows, then there's no need to reinstall it. I will go back and then extract the ROM file in same folder. After extracting the ROM file, open the extracted folder and definitely you will see another folder inside. Now click on the another folder which is inside, then press F2 on the keyboard, come to the end of the folder name and press the backspace button on keyboard, erase the file name up to M, bring the cursor to M, then press enter. Now if you double click this folder, definitely you will see all the bunch of files of flashing. Now come back and copy or cut this particular folder which was inside and which we have renamed it and making it short. Copy or cut. I will do cut this folder from here and I will go to my main hard drive partition. If you can see this PC and my main hard drive partition, whatever you have like C, D, E, F, G, I will go straight to my G main hard drive partition and I will paste that folder here. Now after when you have copied the folder, double click on it, definitely see all the bunch of files of flashing. Must do this step, otherwise Mi Flash tool will give you every time an error, right? When after you have copied the folder, minimize this downloaded folder and go to the desktop. You will see Xiaomi Flash the software name. Double click the icon on desktop of Xiaomi Flash, click yes on another window. The Xiaomi Mi Flash will get open. Click on select, then go to your main hard drive partition where we have copied that new folder which we have renamed it. I copied that folder to my main hard drive partition of my 64 GB G. Click on it, definitely see the folder of Cortana global images. Click on it and then you will see images folder there. Now click OK. The Mi Flash will load the file and Mi Flash is ready to flash the ROM file. Coming back towards my mobile phone, we have to boot the set into fast boot mode. For that, the mobile phone must be power off. Hold the mobile phone in your left hand, hold the data cable in your right hand, and must check the mobile phone must be power off, and check the other side of this cable must be connected with computer. Now press and hold the volume down key and connect the cable. Like in 1 or 2 and 3 seconds, the set will boot it into fast boot mode. Immediately release the volume down key. My set is booted into fast boot mode and already connected with my computer. Now I will go to my device manager to show that the drivers is installed correctly. Yes, definitely you will see Android phone, Android bootloader interface. Now I can confirm that the flashing will be done perfectly. Now on the Mi Flash tool, click refresh. The Mi Flash will detect the set. Here we go. And now come down here. This is the most important part. Now those users who want to relock the bootloader after flashing the ROM file, do not change anything. Leave the selection just like it, like select the clean all lock, flash all lock, and then simple go, click flash. What will happen? The ROM will get flashed and the set bootloader will get relock after the flashing ROM. But those users like me who do not want to relock the bootloader, want to get MIUI 13 ROM but do not want to relock the bootloader, like after flashing the MIUI 13 ROM, they want to flash custom recovery, they want to root the MIUI 13 ROM. For those users who do not want to relock the bootloader, come down here and click on clean all. So what will happen? The ROM will get flashed and the bootloader will be remain unlocked. Now set is detected and come here, click flash. The flashing will get start. Now all you have to do is to wait, because this flashing procedure will take around 7 to 8 minutes. When flashing done, then I will continue. And when you see flash done success, the set will auto restart or auto reboot. And we are done from the Mi Flash tool. Just close the Mi Flash tool and we are done also from computer. Disconnect the cable from the mobile phone, and if you can see, the Mi logo got changed and the set will now start booting to stock ROM MIUI 13 soon. The first boot will take time around 2 or 3 minutes. So wait for it, let the first boot complete, then we will continue. Hopefully you will be happy looking at the MIUI 13 setup screen on your Redmi Note 9s. I know that Redmi Note 9s users was waiting for MIUI 13 for a long time. Finally we got. Now complete the setup screen. So the MIUI 13 Android version 12 got flashed perfectly, and we are getting new control center, and this is the notification center. This one is control center. Now I will go to my mobile phone settings, then we'll go to about phone. Definitely you will see MIUI 13.0.2. the Android version is 12. Android security date, you can check that. If I tap on all specs, the mobile phone name 6GB plus 2GB and Android version 12, MIUI version, and also always check the numbers below the baseband version. So finally we got MIUI 13 ROM, like we were waiting for this ROM to get on Redmi Note 9s. Do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Keep sharing my videos on other platform social media. Thank you so much. Take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.